How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here, and in this video I want to share with you all how much money I spend in a week as a stock market trader, full-time investor, full-time YouTuber at 23 years old, living in the state of New Jersey. So we're gonna talk about this, and if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my Excel because I track every single dollar that comes in my pocket and every single dollar that goes out of my pocket on Excel. And this is actually how I'm going to give you all the exact dollar amount, the exact penny value of what I spent through this week, which is actually not this week that just happened, but the week ending in November, the last week in November, because that week I spent a lot of money, a lot of money to my standards and to how much I typically spend. So I figured it'd make a more fun video if we talked about that and kind of went over what I spent from November 24th to November 30th of 2019. So on the 24th of November, I spent exactly $125 here on a pair of Russell Westbrook basketball shoes. And fun fact, guys, a little thing about me, I'm a huge basketball guy. My whole life, I've loved basketball. I've been playing since I was literally 2-3 years old, and I play every single day up till this point at my local LA Fitness. I go pretty much every single day. I play basketball, and I also play in a competitive league. So me personally, knowing that basketball shoes are quite expensive, I like to budget things like this out, and I buy them during periods where typically a lot of shoes are on sale, like the end of November where it is Black Friday. Typically a lot of people are doing sales. So I bought $125 worth of basketball shoes, and if you guys are interested which ones I bought, I think they're called the Russell Westbrooks. They're definitely Russell Westbrooks. I think they're called the Why Nots, and I actually went to Foot Locker that day, guys, believe it or not. I was looking to buy LeBron shoes because I'm a huge LeBron shoe guy. I've been wearing those for years on top of years at this point. And then I went and I tried on the Westbrooks, and I was like, oh my goodness, these are fantastic. These fit my foot well, and I think I could play well in these. So I ended up buying those a lot cheaper than the LeBrons, and they felt a lot more comfortable than I thought. The next day here, November 25th, I ended up spending $25.12 on gas, and believe it or not, guys, I drive a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE, and the tank holds about like 10.8 gallons, and where I'm from here in New Jersey, $25.12, that is what I pay to fill my tank. So I filled my tank on that day, and the next payment I had was $163.83 on my car insurance. And you guys are probably saying, oh my goodness, how is your car insurance that high? I know, guys, it's extremely high, and it is because I've had multiple speeding tickets over the past couple of months. Really, it hasn't been the past couple of months. Last year is when I actually had 2 or 3 speeding tickets, and from that point, when I actually got that big fine, I paid, what was it, a couple $100. I actually went to court as well. Ever since that moment, I've been extremely conscious about my speeding, and hopefully in the next couple of months, as my driving record cleans up, those points are going to go off my license, and then my insurance cost will come down, because I know $163 is ridiculous, and trust me, guys, I've price checked with many different companies for that, and it's pretty much around $160, $170 a month for me. So I'm going to have to bite the bullet and live with that for now, and hopefully in the next couple of months, the next 2-3 years, my insurance cost does go down. On the 26th of November, I ended up spending $7.88 on some go out food, and this is where I went to Chick-fil-A. And if you guys have never been to Chick-fil-A, I don't go there a lot, I'll be honest, because I try not to eat fast food, but let's be honest, guys, the fast food is phenomenal. I went to Chick-fil-A. What did I get? Like a spicy chicken sandwich. I upgrade the fries to large, and then, of course, I get a Diet Coke as well. So that is around $7.88 on the 26th of November. The next thing I spent is actually another fee, guys. I went to Atlantic City about a month or two ago, did not have an Easy Pass, and I did not have any cash or change on me. And if you guys have been through those tolls where it's exact change. Literally, this toll I was at was 75 cents, guys, believe it or not. 75 cents. I didn't have the change, so I ended up getting a ticket for that. And it's kind of my fault, guys, because as I got the ticket at that place to pay for it, to call them and pay for it a couple of days after, I forgot to do that. So this is something that is my fault, really, because I got a $50 fee attached onto that 75 cents that I tried to call, and I can't get it off, guys. I can't get the fee off. I tried. Believe me, my fault completely. But yeah, that's for actually 2 different violations for Easy Pass in that same Atlantic City trip. So I screwed myself over. Sometimes that happens. $87.25 out of my pocket just because of that. So on the 27th of November, I ended up spending $19.50 on food out again at Chipotle. I treated myself and my girlfriend to that. I believe we got like 2 bowls or something. Ended up being about $19.50. And that was actually a light day of spending. And typically, guys, I'm more of a frugal person. Again, I'm picking weeks where I've spent a lot of money just to make it entertaining for the video. I'm not spending money crazy all the time. I grew up watching my parents save. My parents are doing well for themselves, but they had those principles from a young age of saving, investing, and me watching that growing up, that instilled principles into me where I'm the same way now. I'm frugal. I save as much money as I can. I invest as much as I can. And that's really because my grandparents were also immigrants. They came from Greece. They were broke, literally. They came here with 20, 50 cents in their pockets. So these things, watching that, learning from them, hearing from their experiences, they led me to be very frugal. So just know that I don't spend like a madman like this all the time. But yeah, I'm being transparent because, hey, it makes for a fun YouTube video, right? So on the 28th of November, I believe this was Thanksgiving, I didn't spend money pretty much the entire day that day until nighttime, where I went to Old Navy and I bought 2 pairs of jeans on sale. Again, I buy all my stuff on sale, guys, so that's why I'm spending a decent amount of money here Black Friday to get some clothes that I like, right? So I bought 2 pairs of jeans, $42.48. Each pair of jeans was $21.24, if my math is right, and I believe they were 50% off. So quite the discount. 2 pairs of jeans right there, and that's all I spent on the 28th of November. So on the 29th of November, I ended up going to 7-Eleven, spending $2.88. I bought a Monster. I'm a big Monster guy, and there's these new energy drinks out, or they're new to me at least, called Reign, R-E-I-G-N. Those are some that I've been drinking as well. A lot more caffeine content for those energy drinkers out there. And I also drink sometimes, what are the other ones called? Oh crap, what are they? Oh my goodness. Bang, that's what they're called, Bang Energy. I drink those sometimes as well. So $2.88 there at 7-Eleven. I spent $74.50 on a winter jacket, and let me tell you guys this story. So on Black Friday, the day after Black Friday, my girlfriend and I, we went to the mall. I went to H&M first, and then ended up buying a jacket at H&M for $50, right? And then we go to this store called Zara, whatever it's called. That was actually the first time I've ever bought clothes at Zara. We go to Zara. I see that jacket over there. Let me go get it for you guys and show you. I see this jacket right here. You can see Zara. I don't know if the camera's picking up on that, but this thing is an absolute beast, right? I'm on this East Coast right now, obviously in New Jersey. It gets freezing here. New York, New Jersey, PA, this whole area, right? So I needed a jacket like this. Believe it or not, I've been wearing the same jacket here. This goes back to my frugal ways for 8 years, 8 to 9 years, and that thing is a piece of crap. It's also laying right there. So this was an upgrade, to say the least, a ridiculous upgrade. And the fact that I only got this for $74.50, guys, is a bargain, because get this jacket was 50% off. So when I got this, I saw this at Zara, I was like, oh my God, I'm buying this jacket. I'm going back to H&M. I'm returning the other one to spend the money on this jacket, and the 25 additional bucks that this jacket was compared to the H&M one is a no-brainer because this one's so much better. It's crazy. So $74.50 on this amazing Zara jacket that hopefully will last me for a while here. So the last day of spending here on the 30th of November, I spent $1.91 at 7-Eleven yet again, and you guys know those crackers, those club crackers, they come with peanut butter and that cheese, like the Ritz, stuff like that. I love those. For some reason, ever since I was a little kid, I've been eating those like on and off, right? And now I'm back in that kick where I'm eating them a lot. So I bought 2 of those on the 30th at 7-Eleven. I also spent $10 in gas. This day I didn't fill my tank up. I don't know why, because I typically always fill my tank up, but I guess I just put in $10 because I've been doing a lot of driving around through the holiday, through the Thanksgiving time period, stores, all the good stuff, family, so I needed to spend a bit more on gas there. And since the 30th was the end of the month for November, I ended up getting billed for some Instagram ads that I ran on my Instagram. And if you guys don't follow me there, it is at StasSurfes, StasSerfes. Go follow me there. So I spent $54.71. And this is just some basic ads, you know, promoting my posts to more people to get more, I guess, reach out there for people that are interested in the stock market, investing, trading, personal finance in general. So that pretty much wraps up my spending for that week from the 24th of November through the 30th of November in 2019. So to break it down here by day for you guys and give you all the total of what I spent through that period, because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know, let's do that. The 24th of November, I spent a total of $125. The 25th of November, I spent $188.95. The 26th of November, I spent $95.13. The 27th, I spent $19.50. The 28th, I spent $48.48. On the 29th, I spent $77.38. And to end off the month on the 30th, I spent $66.62, leading us to that total being $615.06 in that week from the 30th, or rather from the 24th of November to the 30th of November. So that's pretty much it, guys. 23-year-old, about to turn 24 here in a couple of months in New Jersey, full-time trader, full-time investor, full-time YouTuber. That is what I spend. And again, I'm typically a frugal person. If I'm going to my expenses just for fun here, you know, over the past couple of days, I've spent a smaller portion of money than that because I like doing things such as financial fasts. I don't know if you guys have heard of that. I'm sure you've heard of that, some people at least. And it's where you go, or you try to go at least a couple of days without spending money other than your necessities, right? Like car payment, insurance, rent, whatever that may be. Those are obviously necessities that you need to pay. But I'm talking like going out, entertainment, bars, clubs, movies, whatever it may be. That's stuff that you can control, and financial fasts are where you go a couple of days again without spending on those things. So me personally, over the past couple of days, I didn't spend money at all on the 10th of December. I didn't spend money at all today, the day that I'm recording this video, on the 12th of December. Yesterday, I spent a minimal amount of money on the 11th of about 25 bucks. So I really try to limit my expenses as much as I can to save more money and therefore invest more in myself through education, invest more in my businesses, obviously invest more in the stock market, trading, investing, all of that good stuff. And that's kind of how I view it. And truthfully, guys, that's what makes me happy. A lot of people think material stuff makes you happy. That's not the truth for me. For me, I like living a simple life, saving money, being more, minimalist. Not really minimalist because I do have a lot of clutter in my room, to be honest with you guys, but being a bit more of a saver, more of a person that thinks to the future and wants to create wealth, because that's kind of where my mind is right now. That's kind of how I'm thinking, and that's just really what makes me happy at the end of the day. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, feel free to go down below, hit that like button. Again, consider subscribing if you want to see further content from me about the stock market, investing, trading. This is the channel for you, and of course, personal finance as well. I'll catch you all in the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.